Perfect hotel for travelers in Cusco. Perfect location with excellent breakfast. Beds were comfy. Very close to the center of Cusco. Well designed, cozy place, great breakfast and big room. We got a triplet room. The room was huge with all you need. All the details were really well taken care of. Breakfast was great, with excellent service. We only had one night here, but the service from the staff was very good. Checkout was at 10 a.m., but we didn't leave until about 2:30 p.m. While we could have potentially extended our room until that time for 30 to 50% of the room rate, we opted to have the hotel hold up luggage. They were very accommodating during that window of time and it was much appreciated. Do know that due to the thickness of the walls, Wi-Fi is not available in all rooms. As such, we spent much more time in the common and reception areas than we might have otherwise. While this was a mild inconvenience, it isn't something that would stop us from staying there again. We very much enjoyed our stay. The rooms are interesting as the whole hotel is unique. I was in the room to the back left up the stairs as soon as you walk in. It was small but comfortable. There was a lovely sitting area up there as well. We spent many nights talking up there before hitting the sack. The location is perfect for walking around town. I would go back. Perfect in all aspect room, perfect AC or heater sufficient though could be warmer in earn it, folk and fast breakfast, did not utilize check-in, fast and was even upgraded folk. My favorite in Cusco. I love the rooms at this place. Amazingly beautiful, one of the most beautiful breakfast courtyards I have ever seen. Super polite, helpful staff, and made our stay so enjoyable. Everything you need, no complaints at all. Very attentive, comfortable and authentic. This hotel was the perfect blend of service, comfort and Peruvian culture. Colonial style. Nice rooms. Great location, very pleasant stay in centrally located hotel. Friendly staff. Good service. Nice rooms, some with jacuzzi bath.